Reagan to do it and not President Biden. But let me ask you about
why is it okay?
deal.
Well, can I say this? Why is it okay for America to drop 2 nuclear bombs on Hiroshima and Nagasaki to end their existential threat war? Why was it okay for us to do that? I thought it was okay. To Israel, do whatever you have to do to survive as a Jewish state.
Senator, again, military officials say the technology has changed. But let me ask you about how all
these
of this
military officials that you're talking about
let me ask you something.
Full of crap.
Thanks for watching.
That's what you gotta do when you're on videotape with not 2, but 3 ladyboys from Bangkok, baby. Okay, Lindsay, you belong to the streets now. All right, all-time high. We, especially in the full moon circle yesterday, we're talking about the possibility of 2 cups. If you are new and don't know what the 2 cups pattern is, neither does all of the internet. It's just for you OGs. And if you're new, let me explain. Usually this would have panned out like this: a cup and a handle, right? 2 cups is a pattern like this. It goes over and then it comes down. That's what we call on the moon train 2 cups. Or 2 scoops, sorry, not 2 cups. I was thinking of something else. 2 scoops. Dirty. 2 scoops. That's what I mean, not 2 cups. 2 scoops. Anyway, so we have a trend change window from tomorrow until Monday. Now, it'll be really interesting to see what the Bears can do. Has nothing to do with the Bears. It's all, is Brock's Aligo on and he's off to doing coke, or is it not? If not, we're definitely coming down to the point of control here. And you can see on our SPX chart, where could that possibly be? Probably down to here, 41, 42. That still keeps the cup and handle in play. Do I think we're going to 550 on SPY? Yes. And this year we're going to 570. I know that no one else will tell you that, but me. All right, so kind of played SPY like a fiddle today with those 530 and 529 calls. 529s worked really well. Now we have a gap up, right? We got a gap, boom. Tomorrow, very important. If this is what you want to look out for, right? If tomorrow, if we go up first thing in the morning, watch for a reversal intraday. Now we have early low. We've got 2 early lows, and we haven't had a fuckery OPEX in a while. This is holding especially well. Now obviously we top ticked, sold at exactly 530, then it dropped, but it's creeping up here again. So if there's no big gap down tomorrow and we don't feel it, watch for a late day reversal. We can also drop straight from the open. We gotta watch the tick. A lot of you have been using it. I'm happy to hear that. And again, if we have an initial balance rally out of the gate, let's watch for that drop. So huge risk of dropping out of the sky tomorrow, okay? So just keep that in mind. Now, on the flip side of that fucker, look at this. Now, I am the only one since 7:55 who's been selling. There's been no bad news about NVIDIA. This is when you juice the premiums for next week. So I'm in some thousands because they're so cheap and we're $50 off. Caught SMCI today. I mean, absolutely insane move. What is it showing me? Beyond Meat. Oh yeah, because I had to restart. As even the run, I think I sold at 460, and then I rolled up to my magic 1040s that ran 500%. So you see here we've broken out again. And I just have to say that I love that SMCI can put on $100 and not get halted, but GME moves fucking $3 and it gets halted 8 times. Okay. I'm in some very, very light AMC just in case. But again, like with everything, once they start adding strikes, the play is done. Okay, I don't think this is gonna go, but you know, I mean, just in case. You know, once shit like this GME starts getting a lot of attention, it's for a reason. What's the reason? I've told you now 3 days straight, 4 days straight. The reason is the crypto rally we're about to have. Okay? Now I've posted this chart many times. Bam, bam, bam. Yesterday I said there's a possibility it still goes down, but it's probably gonna rip. It did. We caught Hood. We caught Coinbase. Okay? Now, if you're still unaware of the tick, this is what I mean. Okay? Now look at that. Opens. If it opens here, you sell and you wait. Okay, let's see what it does tomorrow. The Dixie. Beautiful. We want it to come down to 102 though. It's on its way. The 89 and the cloud is kind of keeping it still here. It can still bounce, but we're going to go down here. That's the summer rally right there. I mean, have I given you 20 plays per day lately? Yes, I have. VIX gunning for low of the year. Can it still bounce? Sure. It's all about the 10-year yield. Same setup as the Dixie. We want it down there. All right. Now, market tide very one-sided today. And let's look at some specifics. If we, against all odds, rally, Apple's going to 193.50. So there's 192.5. So maybe 195 get some action. We'll see tomorrow, depending upon the jobs. Shitty stocks like UPST holding a pretty decent. Clearly not time today. If we can chill here a little bit, this will start going. Same with Hood. Obviously some after hours fuckery. I saw just a huge order for June 21st, the 28th. So since this is a gigantor bull flag, it's probably gonna start going soon. And imagine how much money they made with GME and crypto and all of this. It still hasn't made its earnings move. I mean, these earnings were a banger. So it's gonna run up into that. What else? That's pretty much it. I mean, not get into a habit of being 90% cash. There's plenty of moves here. Let's see if SoFi and AI move tomorrow. I want to point out that SoFi and Tesla, same algo completely today. Look at that chart. See that? So this is when no one's trading. Doesn't matter if you buy or not. It's all algos. Okay. Unity too, clearly. So Tesla is now a part of the shitty stocks. Very interesting. Okay, do you see that? Tesla has been grouped in with the shitty stocks. So if you see Tesla go, chances are that the shitty stocks will go. Now look at this accumulation in the demand zone. Pretty epic, huh? All right, guys, that's it for right now. Keeping it short and sweet. Watch out for this. They were dumping dark pool today, but they're pushing up the flow. So a dip is coming. We're gonna have a few down days very, very, very soon. God bless.